Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best portable toilet is probably one of the most important investments you can make for comfortable and hygienic outdoor adventures, ensuring worry-free restroom access during camping trips, tailgating events, or any situation where traditional facilities are unavailable. This comprehensive review will help you choose the perfect portable toilet for your specific needs, considering factors such as capacity, portability, ease of use, and overall hygiene. Number 5. VINGLI Portable Toilet. It's designed to be easily separated into two parts for compact storage and transport. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for taking on any adventure. The dual lid seal minimizes odors, and a removable inner bucket makes emptying simple and hygienic. Using a toilet bag eliminates the need for cleaning. It offers a comfortable seat height for most adults. It's designed to support users up to 300 pounds. The sturdy construction and non-slip base ensure stability. It even includes a detachable toilet paper holder that doubles as a phone rest and a comfortable seat when closed. It's ideal for outdoor activities like camping and boating, but also handy for indoor temporary use in various situations. Its compact design makes it perfect for emergency situations or storage in vehicles. For a quick and easy setup, be sure to check out the helpful installation video included with the product listing. It will guide you through each step. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for camping or travel. The detachable inner bucket makes cleanup a breeze. If you value convenience and comfort on the go, this is the portable toilet for you. What people say. Took me 5 minutes to assemble, super easy. It's really sturdy and comfy and will be perfect for exactly what I need it for. Emergencies. It was easy to clean too, I just pulled bucket out, dumped, and sanitized. This would also be convenient for camping and/or a bedside commode. It's easy to dispose of waste, just already in a little carry bucket. Also in 215 pounds and it's extremely sturdy, never once felt like it would collapse. No leakage and I use pine wood chips on top of each use so there's no smell. Also it's tall. Like a little smaller than a normal toilet, which is amazing. The little extra, white lid is great and what really keeps the smell in. Number 4. Portable Camping Toilet. It's designed like a home toilet, but portable. Enjoy a wider, more comfortable seat that can hold up to 400 pounds. Perfect for the whole family. This foldable toilet is perfect for any adventure. It's lightweight and easy to set up, making it ideal for camping, road trips, or emergencies. Cleaning is a breeze. It comes with 12 bags, and is compatible with standard 6 to 8 gallon bags for easy disposal and hygiene. It's more than just a toilet. Use it for storage, as a seat, or even as a trash can. The possibilities are endless. Your purchase includes the portable toilet, 12 toilet bags, a waterproof carry bag, and the user manual. Everything you need for convenient and hygienic use. What we like. This portable toilet is surprisingly sturdy and can handle a lot of weight. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to pack and carry. If you need a versatile and durable option for various uses, this is the one for you. What people say. It fits under the seat of my Tesla. We take this on road trips when one of our kids decides it's time to use the restroom where there's nowhere to stop. It's built well and very sturdy. It's super easy to use and fold up. I like the design where it is able to be folded so small and discreetly hidden. This one is a good one, no shame in my game. If you are on the go or camping, this easy fold-out toilet comes handy. I deliver all day. Most places won't let you use their bathroom. Real easy fold out, slap a bag in, lower seat, handle your business, tie the bag up, toss it in a dumpster and be on your way. This is a great potty to use for travel. We actually bought one 2 years ago. We accidentally left in a rental car and was unable to get it back, and since it was so great we bought the same one again to replace the misplaced one. We keep this in the car at all times. It's great when the kids need to use the restroom and you don't want to use a public bathroom, especially great for girls. It folds up easily and stores flat in the provided bag. Sturdy and strong, hold up to 400 pounds. Number 3. Alpcour Portable Toilet. Say goodbye to emergency potty runs. This compact toilet provides comfort and convenience anytime, anywhere, just like a home toilet. It features a built-in piston pump flusher for powerful cleaning. With a large waste tank and water tank, you'll have fewer emptying trips. Made of durable, heavy-duty material, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for the whole family. It naturally minimizes odors and resists rust and corrosion. A 360-degree sprayer keeps the bowl clean, and a rotating spout allows for safe and hygienic disposal. It includes a waste level indicator and an anti-leak drain valve. This complete kit comes with a handy case for easy transport and storage. It's also an eco-friendly system that saves you money and reduces waste. It's an ingenious gift for campers, boaters, and RV enthusiasts. Give the gift of comfort and hygiene to your loved ones this holiday season or any time of the year. This compact indoor-outdoor commode is perfect for anyone seeking unique camping conveniences. Give the gift of comfort and hygiene to family and friends. What we like. It features a powerful piston pump flush for superior cleaning. The extra-large waste tank means fewer trips to empty it. If you prioritize hygiene and convenience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The flushing mechanism was great and has a water tank on top to wet flush as well as use the bidet, which is just a spray nozzle. Recommend flushing with lid closed so you don't get splashback from the pressure. It is perfect. No more almost falling to the floor due to the low height of my old one. It's also very stable. I like the idea of the piston-type flusher versus the bellows on my old one. The other thing I really like is the spout for emptying it, so much easier and less chance of splashing. It's sturdy, works well, and the sprayer a great addition, as is the carry case. Tight seal and no leak smells. Carry bag is sturdy as well and will work when I need to empty the tank and don't want the whole world knowing I am holding a toilet. Number 2. Fun Essentials Portable Toilet Kit. This portable toilet kit has everything you need for comfortable and sanitary outdoor experiences. It includes a large folding toilet, a privacy tent, waste bags, and disposal chemicals, all conveniently packed together. It's designed for comfort with a taller and wider seat than most others on the market. You'll appreciate the extra space and height, making it suitable for everyone. The included pop-up tent provides ample privacy wherever you go. It's perfect for camping, changing clothes, or using the toilet discreetly in any outdoor setting. This kit is incredibly easy to set up and pack away. The entire kit folds down into a compact storage bag, making it perfect for travel and storage. We offer a premium quality product at a great price. It's the perfect solution for all your outdoor adventures, from camping trips to emergency situations. Take it with you on all your adventures. Camping, fishing, hiking, beach trips, it's the perfect companion for any outdoor activity. What we like. This kit includes a privacy tent for discreet use, and the toilet itself is larger and more comfortable than many others. It's an all-in-one solution with everything you need. If you want complete privacy and convenience, this is the ideal option. What people say. It arrived in great condition, and although I read some reviews where people had items missing, that was not the case for me. It had everything it was supposed to, which was a big part of the selling point for me. Not having to buy the trash bags, potty, bio-gel, etc. all separately was very convenient. The toilet part assembles in 30 seconds and is straightforward, and it breaks down just as fast in a fairly compact flat form about 3 inches. It's fairly strong and stable, although I wish the seat was just slightly wider. It functions just fine. The tent stall unpacks and practically unfolds by itself into a flat triangle. You just have to separate the walls to form a box. The zippers that open door, windows etc. are not high quality, thick zippers but work fine. Number 1. YITAHOME Portable Toilet. It's made of durable, high-density materials and can comfortably support a weight of up to 441 pounds. This makes it suitable for users of all ages and sizes. With a 3.2-gallon freshwater tank and a 5.8-gallon wastewater tank, it allows for multiple uses. The level indicator conveniently shows when it's time to empty the waste tank. The T-type water outlets provide thorough cleaning, while the handle pump and sprayer gun make cleaning effortless. It ensures a hygienic experience every time. The rotating pouring spout enables quick and splash-free emptying. A slide valve prevents leaks and odors when not in use, and the carry bag makes it easy to transport. It's perfect for various situations: camping, RV travel, boating, or any place with limited sanitation. It's also ideal for those with mobility issues. What we like. Boasting a high weight capacity and large tanks, this toilet is built to last. The efficient cleaning system and odor-preventing design make for a hygienic experience. If you need a reliable and hygienic portable toilet for extended use, this is the one for you. What people say. The added sprayer cleans it well. I have it on a couple puppy training pads just in case, so far no leaks. It is sturdy. I weigh 240 and it holds my weight. Love the diagonal design, fits in the corner perfect. You can tell when it needs to be empty if you see the water down the hole. It's the same height as my home toilet. Simple to use and empty. The toilet is very sturdy and everything works great. The fresh water flush is a great feature. This is uniquely better than most other comparable units due to its larger oval bowl and diagonal bowl placement. This diagonal layout is a lot more comfortable to sit on the use, especially for males, because you can straddle the unit between your legs. Also, it comes equipped with a handheld sprayer that aids in the cleaning and the flushing process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.